In this video, learn how to download Windows 10. Open the Google Chrome browser on your Chrome PC. In the Chrome browser, type Windows 10 ISO download in the Google search bar. And press Enter. Go to first link the official Microsoft website. Press F12 on keyboard and press Ctrl plus Shift plus M and refresh page. Under the section titled Select Edition, click on the drop-down menu and choose the desired edition of Windows 10 you want to download, and press Confirm button. Select the desired language from the second drop-down menu. On the next page, you will see two options, download 32-bit and download 64-bit. Select the appropriate option based on your system architecture. The ISO file download will start automatically. You may be prompted to save the file or choose a location to save it.